This 2026 Ram 1500 is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Ram is powered by four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, twin-turbo regular unleaded i6 3.0 L183 engine, and has 1 miles to the watt. Get ready to tackle any terrain. Discover the unbeatable used 2026 Ram 1500 today. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.